Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Hello guys and welcome to NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. So let's get started with topic oregano. Oregano is the culinary herb which belongs to the mint family or Lumicae family. The scientific name of oregano is Origanum vulgare. It is native to Southwest Eurasia and the Mediterranean area. Oregano has been a valuable part of both culinary and alternative medicine treatment for thousands of years. The name of the herbs comes from the Greek words oros, meaning mountain, and ganos, meaning joy. It typically grows around 50 cm tall and has purple leaves around 2 to 3 cm in length. The health benefits of oregano includes its ability to protect immune system, prevent the onset of chronic diseases, improve digestion, detoxify the body, strengthen the bones, improve heart health, boost energy level and even protect against diabetes, boost immunity. Oregano contains rosmarinic acid and thymol, which reduces oxidative stress, free radicals, boost your immune system and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-cancer potential. Oregano prevents cancer cell growth and reduces the risk of cancer. Aids in digestion. Oregano contains fiber which maintains the health of the gut, increases nutrient uptake, increases the bulk of your stool, stimulates peristaltic motion and maintains the health of digestive system, improves heart health. Oregano contains omega-3 fatty acids which helps to prevent atherosclerosis, heart attack and even strokes. It helps to reduce cholesterol levels and inflammation, detoxify the body. Oregano contains calcium, iron, fiber and vitamin K and also manganese which helps to detoxify the body. It also maintains liver health and speed up the process of toxin elimination. Improves bone health. Oregano contains calcium, iron and manganese which prevents osteoporosis and maintain bone health. Increase energy level. Oregano contains vitamin B which helps to increase hemoglobin levels, oxygenate cells and muscles and boost the energy level. Hippocrates used it as an antiseptic. Oregano is used to treat respiratory tract disorder, gastrointestinal disorder, menstrual cramps and urinary tract disorder. It is also used to treat skin conditions like acne and dandruff. Antibacterial properties. Oregano shows antimicrobial properties which helps to prevent many diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano contains beta-cryptoline which helps to tract and treat disorders such as osteoporosis and arteriosclerosis. Oregano can be consumed at any time of the day. Combines well with allspice, basil, bay, chili, clove, garlic, lavender, marjoram, nutmeg, paprika, parsley, rosemary and savory. Fresh turmeric is crunchy, have gingery, citrus aromas and an agreeable earthy flavor with citrus overtone. And now it's time to tell you the ways to use oregano. Oregano is the Mediterranean herb that goes well with pizzas and pasta sauces. Sprinkling meat or chicken with oregano for flavor. Using it in marinades or stuffings. Chopping and mixing it in bread dough to make herby rolls. Adding it fresh to salad. How to buy and store oregano. Oregano should be stored in plastic bag in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. If you place a slightly damp paper towel in the bag with oreganos, leave some air in the bag. It may extend the life up to 1 week. And now the season in which oregano is available. Oregano is available all year around. And now some safety profile. Individuals who are allergic to Lumicea family should be cautious before consuming it. Some people can have stomach problem after eating oregano. And now it's time for fast fact on oregano. Oregano is a Mediterranean herb that is used for cooking and medicinal purposes, ranging from treating infections to repelling insects. Active ingredients in oregano could one day help treat osteoporosis, cancer, and diabetes. Use it to flavor sauces, make herby rolls, and in marinades for meats. People with an allergy to mint should take care while consuming oregano. Oregano is an aromatic perennial herb in the mint family. It is characterized by opposite aromatic leaves and purple flowers. Oregano was first used in Greek. In their mythology, the goddess Aphrodite invites the species, giving it to man to make his life happier. After the Romans conquered the Greek, the Romans inherited the use of oregano, and the Romans were the ones responsible for the extensive use of oregano all over Europe and abroad. After that, with this time, herb found itself a journey from Middle East to China. Oregano was not widely used in US after the Second World War. Soldiers discovered the herb during the Italian campaign and brought it back to US. Oregano is usually grown as a small evergreen subherb in the mild climates. Oregano is a perennial herb growing from 20 to 80 cm tall with opposite leaves from 1 to 4 cm long. The flowers are purple, 3 to 4 mm long, produced in erect spikes. Oregano is a culinary herb used for the flavor of its leaves, which can be more flavorful when dried than fresh. It has an aromatic, warm, and slightly bitter taste, which can vary in intensity. The herb has long been an essential ingredient of Mediterranean cooking. It serves as a culinary herb added to meat, soup, sausages, among others, and is particularly popular in tomato-based dishes and pizzas. Oregano is high in antioxidant activity due to a high content of phenolic acid and flavonoid. Oregano is a powerful antiseptic plant thanks largely to its constituent known as carbapenem and work against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even parasites like worms, making it a well-rounded antiseptic to keep in your natural medicine cabinet. Other health benefits of oregano includes ability to protect the immune system, prevent the onset of chronic diseases, improve digestion, detoxify the body, strengthen the bones, improve heart health, and boost energy level, protect against diabetes, calm nerves, and even as cure for sickness. Oregano has been used medicinally since the time of ancient Greeks. Hippocrates, one of the greatest philosophers from the time of ancient Greeks, has found uses for oregano as an antiseptic. Oregano oil can be used to keep off yeast infection and can be used for respiratory health and strengthening the immune system. A drop of oregano oil on toothbrush will help completely take care of gum diseases and tooth decay. The word oregano itself means mountain brightness.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.